This is just a little quick recap of the KTM I'm doing, because I've got to wait for bits again. Some bits in there what come. They're the circlips and that. Got all these parts from yesterday. New primary drive nut. It is the same as the old one. You can see at the top, it's like tapered down. I don't know if the bottom is. See, it's not. That's how the last one wasn't coming off properly when I said you have to have like a flat socket to get all the way down here. Or it only catches the top and rounds it. That's for the back of the kickstart. The one was smashed, what was making the kickstart wobble. It's all that part of the engine. There was a washer in each one of them, or a shim in each one of those packages. What's discontinued, so I'll check it when I put it back together, but I'll put a picture of the tool I need. But when I'm putting the engine back together to pull the crank back through, because my crank puller in that box pulls any crank and pushes any crank in and out. The crank on that needs a special tool, so I had to buy the tool. I think it was £54 from Fowler's. The tool's discontinued to set the stator, the X height and everything, like the timing. You need the tool going in, resting on your head, and it goes down onto your piston with a little, it's got a little point on, so it's going that far down into your bore. Just a quick picture of it. It's still in bits, been at that for a while. Some other parts of it, just the chain, the head, side case and the barrel, the clutch. Is that the clutch? Oh, it's the old stator. There's the barrel. It's the one with the key on. It'll have a key on the head as well. Somewhere, okay. There. Because there's the 98, 99, 2000 and 2001. Each model have got different tiny little differences in engine parts, like different cylinders and stuff like that. And there's 3 or 4 types of different gear selector drum as well. The ones on the earlier ones, like the 98, it's all in one part. So if you needed to get at that, you'd have to split the full engine. And then they were made that come off. The next one, there's a big washer like that at each end, on there and on there. Just the other washer must be in there somewhere. And the other one after that got like a big roller bearing what goes around there. Anyway, I think that's all I've covered in this engine. I'm not waffling on. If I can think of anything more, I'll add it before I upload it. I forgot about this. I've got the rebuild kit. There's the main bearings and the coils, so the good ones. Got the seals, full set. And we've got the gaskets. If anybody's got a plate adjuster which fits the one what I show in the picture, buy it off you, because I can't get one nowhere. I can put the bike back, engine back together when this crank pulling tool comes. That's why I'm gonna have to wait. But I think I'll find the email. I think it said the 24th of October. The crank pulling tool's coming, and I'll put everything together. And if I haven't got the tool, the decking tool, I'll just put it together and leave it, and I'll try and get an engineer to maybe make a tool what sits along the top of the head and the point goes down in the barrel to sit on the piston. It's worn. Anyway, I was just a bit waffling on. Thanks for watching.